Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the steps to create a new account on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're new to social media or just looking to connect with others, setting up your account is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Once the app is open, look for the Create Account button and tap it. Next, you'll need to select your preferred language. Choose the language you're most comfortable with, and then tap Next to move forward. Now it's time to enter your details. Provide your name, email address, or phone number, and your date of birth. Make sure all the information is accurate, as this will help secure your account. After entering your details, you'll need to verify your email or phone number. Check your inbox or messages for a verification code, then enter it in the app to confirm your account. Once your email or phone is verified, you can set up your profile. Choose a unique username that reflects your personality. You can also upload a profile picture and write a short bio if you'd like. This will help others get to know you better. Finally, it's time to follow some accounts. Following others will help you start connecting and engaging with the community. Look for topics or people that interest you and hit that follow button. And that's it. You've successfully created your new account on X. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using X. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new social media journey.